Hello everyone who watched this video tutorial. Thank you for much for watching and crocheting with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet unusual pattern made of puff stitches. Pattern consists of 8 stitches. Here is my 8 stitches and has 4 rows. This pattern can be made by beginner, so let's start crocheting. This is front side and this is back. You can use this pattern to create big swatch, for example back part of the blouse or front part of the blouse or one side of the jacket and so on. For example, I have made exact pattern of Angora yarn. Here how it looks, and this is back. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on till you will get 22 chain stitches. I have done the foundation chain made of 22 stitches. Continue. Begin the first row. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Now make a row of double crochet stitches. And now yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make double crochet. Then double crochet into the each chain stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I have done the first row. This is the row for the more beautiful look. Now chain 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work. Let's begin the first row of the main pattern. Yarn over the hook. Make back post, double crochet around the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have done 4 back post double crochet. Make 4 front post puff stitches in a row. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the next stitch from the front to the back, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. 1, 2, then pull through all loops except the last one and pull through 2 loops. In total it should be 4 of them, as I said before. 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Now 4 back post double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now make 4 puff stitches in a row. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's repeat again. I have done 4 puff stitches. Now 4 back post double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, that is after the last stitch in the previous row. Make half double crochet into this chain stitch. Now chain 2 to bring up the yarn and begin the next row. In total I have made 2 rows. I'm working with these stitches. They are front post in this case because I turned the work. And as you remember, I did them as back post double crochet. Make 4 front post double crochet in a row. Continue. Now I have got back post. Now make 4 back post puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have done 4 back post puff stitches. Here how my pattern looks like. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then you should do 4 front post double crochet, then 4 back post puff stitches and 4 front post double crochet. I remind you we are working on the back side. I'm about to complete the 3rd row. In general, this is the 2nd row of the main pattern. Insert the hook into the 2nd chain stitch. At the beginning of this round, make half double crochet. Now chain 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work to the front side. Begin the 3rd row. Now make 4 front post puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make back post double crochet around the stitches of the previous row. Make 4 back post, double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you should continue working in the same way. Now 4 front post puff stitches, 4 back post double crochet, and 4 front post puff stitches. This is the third row of the main pattern. In general, this is the fourth one. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make half double crochet. The third row of the main pattern is done. Let's begin the fourth row. Chain 2 to bring up the yarn. We are working on the back side. Make 4 back post puff stitches. One, 2, 3, and 4. Then 4 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 back post puff stitches, 1. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this row. I remind you we're working on the back side of the project. Let's complete row 4. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Make half double crochet. The fourth row is ready. Now turn the work to the front side. Here how my pattern looks like. In this pattern I used puff stitches and front and back post double crochet. I remind you, pattern has 4 rows and consists of 8 stitches. Then I'm going to work with next row, and this row will be as the first one of the main pattern. Turn the work to the back side, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, back post, double crochet 4 times in a row, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now work with puff stitches, make 4 front post puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I remind you, pattern has 4 rows. You should repeat from the first to the fourth row. My swatch is ready. Here how it looks. In this case, I repeat pattern 4 times. For this pattern, you need to have some skills, such as front and back post stitches, puff stitches, and half double crochet. This pattern can be used for head, especially in brim part, or for back or a front side of the blouse tunic, or just for the scarf. You can change stitches. You can do 4 front post double crochet instead of front or back puff stitches. Here how it looks. In this case I used Angora yarn. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, write comment below the video, and crochet with me. Also you can see news in social media. Thanks for watching.